Can you imagine your food being cooked by robots? Can you imagine your bed being arranged by robots? Can you imagine your companionship with robots? Yes, it's possible. Good evening, viewers. Joy Nepal, you are very welcome to your own YouTube channel, Saroj Prasad Sah Official. And today we are going to talk about the future of robotics, where we will talk about the 5 points regarding the future of robotics. Yes, very soon we are going to shift in the world of robots, and we will be surrounded by several robots in the coming days. We are in the 21st century, and even in 21st century we are now shifting to a new era, which will be the era of robots and AI. My dear viewers, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers, my students, whoever you are, robots and robotics might be a concept, a theory nowadays, but in very soon and in coming days, it is going to be a part of our life, a part of our lifestyle, you know. So we are going to talk about 5 points, and among them the first point is automation revolution. So what is that? In coming days, in the manufacturing field, in the agriculture, we all are going to use the robots in the coming days. Nowadays, manufacturing in the factories and industries are going on, and the manufacturing are manual, especially in the context of Nepal. Most of the manufacturing are manual. So in coming days, those manual works are being shifted to robots. Now every risky and dangerous work will be done by the robots, and we will be able to do farming. We will be able to grow our crops and vegetables with the help of robots. Robots will now spray fertilizers. Robots will now make a wonderful constructions for us. So there is a very great future of robotics in the field of automation revolution, because everything in the world today is going to be automatic now. Now it will be shifted towards automatization, you know. Right now aeroplane is going on. You might have a disturbance, but I'm really sorry for that. Now I'll go to the next point, that is healthcare and healthcare transformation. Can you imagine, your surgery being done by robots? Yes, it's possible, and very soon we are going to see those days. Can you imagine your nursing, your caring being done by robots? Yes, we are going to face very soon elderly care, nursing, surgery, these type of works, even the advices regarding our healthcare will be given by the robots and AI in the coming days. Already AI has made its place in the modern world. When we talk about open AI and DeepSeek, for from the common people point of view, then they have got a lot of good responses, and their popularity is increasing day by day. People are accepting AI in their daily life, so it proves that now we are shifting towards the world of robotics and AI. Third, smart home and PA. Yes, can you imagine your food being cooked by robots? Yes, it means your home assistant, your, you can say, personal assistant, whatever you say, can be a robots in the coming days. Your robots will arrange your bed. Your robots will provide you company. Your robots may cook food for you. Your robots may be serving your food in the coming days. So this can be scenario in the coming days, and I'm looking it clearly. Yes, it is not only possible, it is going to happen in a very soon time, in my opinion. Fourth, disaster response and management. Nowadays, especially when we talk in the context of Nepal is really the country which has great danger of natural disaster, especially the disasters like earthquake. We have lost lots of people in the earthquake of 2072 BS, and that was really very bad news when I heard about it and when I experienced it. So when those type of disaster is coming in the coming days, then might be robot, because when we use robots in the place of human being, then we will definitely determine, we will definitely assure the security of army, the security of human being. We can reduce the loss of human life, and robots can easily face all kind of disasters and mm, ups and downs, because it will not matter, because they are machines. If they are destroyed, if they are hot, then it doesn't matter for us, but when we lose life, then that really matters in the world, in the life of a family, in the life of the society. So in disaster management, and when you compare robots with human being, then of course robots are going to be more smarter to save our lives in coming days. My fifth strategy, my fifth not strategy but points on the future of robotics is ethics and employment shift in the coming days. Now a different ethics is going to be made. We might hear about the AI rights. We might hear about the policy related to AI in Parliament in the coming days. We might hear about emotional intelligence in the robots and robotics in the coming days. So this type of scenario is very near to us, and my inspiration, one of my inspirations, there are a lot of inspirations for me, but Elon Musk, who is a great guy, I believe him as my role model as well. He has once said, now and then now I'll provide the robots. I'll Tesla's and his company is going to work to provide at least or one robot to every family in the affordable cost. And that initiatives, not only that initiatives, but a lot of initiatives in the global market, like him is making differences in the world. And I believe that the world will be full of AI and robotics, which is also a problem for us, because in coming days it may kill a lot of employment. And when we will kill a lot of employment, I think the problem will come with its own solutions. I think the way of doing job, the way of doing employment will be different. But one last thing that I want to tell you: be familiar with the AI, be connected with robotics, be adapted with the changing circumstances if you want to stay alive, because there is a theory, struggle for survival. If you want to survive, then you have to struggle with the changing environment. Thank you so much. I hope this video has been informative for you. Wish you all to have a good time. Join fall.